That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
What's up, fam? Back with another Safemoon video, and here's what I'm going to talk about today. So today's going to be about a variety of things, from announcements from the core team, Safemoon making the news headlines, Google Trends, what's happening with Google searches, social media, token comparison, chart analysis again, one of the most important things, future prospects, and the threats and downfalls to Safemoon. I also want to mention that this is not financial advice again, right? This is just for entertainment purposes. I am going to be giving you a lot of information, so take that with a grain of salt and use your money wisely, invest it wisely. That's about it. Alright guys, let's take a look at the chart. Today, currently the price is at 33. As you can see, the price ran up all the way up to 50s and then all the way down to 25, 26 and back up to 33. So this is a beautiful cup and handle pattern. Just going to show you an image here. As you can see, it's forming this beautiful pattern. It's a bullish pattern. If you want to read more about it, just do a quick Google search on cup and handle pattern. So this is level 2 data. You can see what's happening here, what the activity on this chart, on this token is, who's buying, how much they're buying, time frame. You can adjust the time frame here. You can choose to select 1 minute, 5 minute, and longer time frames. And you can see, you know, buy, sell orders here that's happening with the coin, real-time data, so which is really nice to have. And so you can track progress for this coin in a more active state, right? So I'll put the link for this window in the description, as well as the other chart pattern. So I also wanted to highlight the Safemoon Discord chat here. This is just blown up, like it's just going crazy. Amount of people that are joining it currently at 1675 and counting. So there's been a lot of channels here that have been added for information on this coin, on this token, so we can discuss price here. We can have the main chat for general, just general information. There's lots of good media, lots of people talking about this coin, and a lot of stuff that's happening. They're sharing news articles and whatnot. Just general information. There's also a voice channel here, so a lot of people just hop onto the voice channel and then talk about stuff about the coin and what their prediction is, right? So hop in over to the Discord and share your thoughts on what you're planning on doing with the coin, and if you're planning on investing or not, or what you feel about it. If you have questions, you can come here and ask all those questions. Also, as you can see, the announcements from the core members of the group of Safemoon team are here. So any major announcements, you want to follow this page if you're invested in this coin. Yeah, so that's basically it. Also, I want to share the about section here for Safemoon. As you can see, the core team is very transparent with the project. You can read more about the project here, and also they've shared their LinkedIn profiles here as well. So if you click on it, it'll take you to the LinkedIn page of each of the core team members for Safemoon. So let's go back to the group here. You can see 1, 2, 3. There's the Twitter as well. So yeah, like I said, they're transparent with the project, transparent with themselves, who they are, what they're doing. It's a public profile, it's not locked, so nothing to hide. As you can see in the chat, there's a lot of FUD as well, right? People saying this coin doesn't have a purpose, just another meme coin, it's a pump and dump pyramid scheme, it's a scam. I've seen some comments in the videos I posted as well, people saying it's a scam, right? Everyone's entitled to their opinion, but I want to present another option to you. So let's start with the tokenomics, right? It's simple, it's powerful, it's safe. So Safemoon, it encourages long-term investments and discourages divestment, right? How? With the 10% transaction tax, 10% of every transaction is taken and half is burned, while the other half is redistributed to holders. So 5% burned, 5% redistributed. I don't know how many pyramid schemes, that punish people at the top for profiting and distributing the gains to the people at the bottom. Also, just look at the BSC scam. It's way too spread out for a pump and dump, right? So people might say, okay, maybe it's a pyramid scheme, but it's still a purposeless meme coin, right? Wrong. Safemoon is decentralized retirement investing. If you think about it, what else encourages long-term investment and penalizes early withdrawals? Your 401k, IRA, and Social Security. So just in summary, Safemoon is the future of retirement. No one knows it yet. So if you get in early, you can enjoy the benefits. At the same time, no financial advice. So do your due diligence. Okay, so I want to share this with you guys as well, the Safemoon Reddit page. So you can get some information here as well. People posting random, posts about Safemoon, any information that that they find on the internet. Good place to just keep updated on this project. So aside from this, there's also Google Trends past 7 days. As you can see, Safemoon has passed HOGE past 7 days as of creating this video. So it's trending. There's a lot of talk about it on social media, a lot of talk about it on Reddit and YouTube as well. So there's a lot that's happening, and I wouldn't be surprised if it gets added to Whitebit or another exchange so that it can really take off. And speaking of Whitebit, here's a support chat someone had with Safemoon and the Whitebit support. They're saying that the integration is already in process. Please stay patient and follow the news. So this is huge. We are just on the cusp of this coin, or this token just blasting off. So we just have to wait and see what happens exactly, if it ever gets whitelisted or if it gets added to it. I'm not sure what the audit process is going to look like. Currently they are in the process of getting an audit done. So once that's done, once they're added to the exchange or an exchange, then we can really see the price growth of this token go significantly higher. So another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is token burn. So Safemoon decay. For those of you that do not know, for every transaction that takes place with a Safemoon coin, there's a 10% fee, like I talked about earlier, right? So of that fee, 5% of the fee channels into that 5% into a wallet that's locked, and the Safemoon becomes unusable or burned. Because of this current market coin cap of 615 trillion coins, we'll continue to see decrease in size. The current burn rate is about 20.7% of all coins every 2 weeks. Doing some basic math then shows us that if we continue to burn at 20.7%, the coin market cap will reach only $1 trillion coins in approximately 400 days from now. So with a market cap of 1 trillion Safemoon coins, we'd have a real opportunity of reaching 0.01 cents each coin. That was basic math, and likely would hold true if we continue to grow in popularity and on social media. However, there will always be whales and bag holders that slow down this process. That's why it's important to look at this with an exponential decay calculation. If you were to factor in whales and a slow rate of decay over time, you'd see that we actually have a better chance of hitting 7 trillion Safemoon coin cap at the 400-day mark. No worries though, even if that's true, we'd still have a real chance of hitting $0.0014 USD per coin, which is still a massive gain from today's prices. I also want to talk about Safemoon compound interest. So did you know that my calculations show with decay and natural growth, the value of Safemoon will increase by 1% every day into infinity? Now don't get me wrong, there will be dips and much larger jumps, but I'm explaining that this will average out to 1% gains on a daily breakdown. So what would let's put it in an example. What would my $100 investment look like 2 years from now? You might wonder. If you were to compound interest on a $100 investment with 1% daily growth, you'd be sitting on $147,480 just at the 2-year mark. At 3 years, you'd be sitting on $5.6 million. You can say, okay, these things may sound too good to be true. So if we take a more simplistic approach, that's undeniable. Let's just say Safemoon stays at its current price for infinity and it never grows. You're still making money. 5% of the transactions are distributed between holders. So you're averaging, 0.19% daily compound interest from these transactions. And that's just sound math, right? So here's a calculation of someone did on what if they invested today and Safemoon reached the same price HOGE is at now, right? So if you look at the comparison, $100 would get you $225,000 and so on and so forth. So this is best case scenario, and HOGE, blew up within a matter of days. So it can happen with Safemoon as well. Hey guys, just final recommendations here. Just sum up this video. Encourage you guys to watch the price action on this token to see where it's going. As you know, the price can move drastically in a short period of time, so I'd urge you guys to keep an eye on it. If you haven't entered a price, if you haven't bought any Safemoon, I'd look for dips to enter. Don't enter high, don't FOMO. It will dip, you will get your chance to get in. Have some spare BNB in your MetaMask wallet, so when that dip does occur, you can go ahead and purchase it at that price. Also, whenever you want to withdraw your Safemoon, you want to have some spare BNB in your wallet so that you can withdraw your Safemoon if and when you decide to do so. So one last thing, like and subscribe. If you guys don't, I'm not sure if we're going to be ending up at the moons. One final request, like and subscribe the video to the channel. Join my Discord if you need help. I can't help in the comment section. If you join the Discord, I can help you guys out, providing whenever I find time. And also join the Safemoon Discord. Comment if you want me to do a video on another coin or this one. Yeah, safe trading, happy trading. See you guys in the next video.